The air we breathe, the water we drink, the land we walk on, all are gifts, precious and finite. Yet, we treat them with a careless abandon. The weight of our actions, the weight of our silence is crushing the planet. This plant, once vibrant and full of life, now withers. It's a mirror reflecting the state of our environment. Pollution isn't a distant problem. It's choking our communities, poisoning our food, and stealing the future from our children. The plastic choking our oceans, the smog filling our lungs, this toxic waste poisoning our soil. These are not abstract threats, they are realities.
Oh, here we go again. Another doomsday prophecy. I've heard it all before. We've always had problems, and we've always overcome them. What's the big deal?
The big deal is that this time it's different. The scale of the damage is unprecedented. We're facing a climate crisis, a biodiversity crisis, a pollution crisis all intertwined. We can't just ignore it and hope it goes away.
The consequences of inaction are dire. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities. Extreme weather events become more frequent and intense. Our health suffers, our economies falter.
These aren't just a number on a screen. These are real people suffering, losing their homes, their livelihoods, their loved ones. We have a moral obligation to protect our planet, to leave a healthy world for the future generation.
But what can person do? It's overwhelming. We start by making small changes. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Support sustainable businesses. Advocate the stronger environmental policies. Speak up. Demand change. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to this larger movement. Together, we can make a difference. The weight of silence is heavy. Let the weight of our actions be the force that saves our planet. Join movement. Be the change.